Alright, let's go. So the other day we did a scavenger hunt. Now we're gonna go see what our prize is. Into the forest and give love where you planted the sapling. Alright. Oh, I can't go in there yet. Alright. I guess I'll wait. Alright, so when you get here, you have to come into this little area where everyone is standing and blow some kisses by pressing 7. So you blow some kisses and then you get these little dealios here. What if I can... Oh. What happened to my dealios? There they are. So, I'm not sure what happened. Oh look, it's growing. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep blowing kisses. Pressing the number 7. Yeah, the tree's growing. There it is. Come on, dog. Enable wearable. Nice. Interact. Sweet. So there's a signature request. I'm gonna go ahead and sign. Alright. Swapping your turning green hearts red badge for a wearable. Nice. Pending transaction. Alright, so we're just gonna set that to the side and wait. Probably gonna take a long time because all these goons are in here trying to get the wearable right now, so we'll see. Alright, so there you go. Got them right here. You got this little top dealio, and these trousers, and then this thing. So I could be the tree man. It's actually a pretty cool suit. This whole thing came from the Samsung promotion. I thought it was going to be something silly, but you can also see here, they are also in my OpenSea. So yeah, pretty dope. So if you got in time for the Samsung event, I'm glad for you. If not, just maybe turn my alerts on, and that way next time you know if there's going to be an event in the Metaverse, you can get in on these NFTs. Oh, which, by the way, are sellable. So you can go right here, and you can go to sell. You sometimes can see if there's other offers or like a price history if other people have got these and then listed them. Doesn't seem like anyone's listed them for sale yet, but actually here you can see there's a common price for it. Oh, look. That helmet's actually worth 0.7 ETH. These pants are worth 1 ETH. Nice. And this chest worth 3.1 ETH? Oh my god, we got a steal, guys. Look at that. You can sell it for whatever you want, of course. You can put the list price, whatever you want. If somebody wants to pay you 1 ETH for it, then they can pay you 1 ETH for it. But oh my goodness, look at that. Nice. We lucked out, boys. We made it. Sheesh. Alright, good job. Alright, fellas. Well, that's it for this one. See y'all at the next one.